In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and fix spelling errors in a Constant Contact email before you send it. Start by opening Constant Contact and heading to the email campaign you want to edit. If you manage several campaigns, take a moment to pick the specific draft or most recent version that needs polishing. Once you've found it, click the email draft to open the email editor. You'll see your design laid out with content blocks, ready for a careful pass. Now review the text blocks in your email. Click into each paragraph, headline, caption, or text area so your cursor is active in the block. This ensures your browser can check the words you're viewing. Read your copy slowly and intentionally. Short, clear sentences are easier to verify, so pause between lines and listen for anything that sounds off. Pay close attention to names, dates, offer details, and any text that references links or call to action language. Those are the places where small typos can have an outsized impact. As you read, watch for red or otherwise highlighted markings that your browser uses to flag spelling mistakes. Most browsers use a red squiggly underline, though the style can vary. When you spot a flagged word, right-click it to open your browser's list of suggestions. Then choose the correct spelling. If the word is a proper noun or a brand you've intentionally spelled in a particular way, pause before changing it so you don't fix something that was already correct. After making a correction, reread the full sentence to confirm the flow still feels natural and that capitalization is consistent. Work from the top of your email to the bottom so nothing gets missed. Don't forget smaller text areas like button labels, disclaimers, image captions, or footer notes. These are easy to overlook but very visible to readers. Continue until you've addressed every visible underline or highlight. Once your edits are complete, give the email one final preview before you send or schedule. Use the preview option in the editor to see exactly what your audience will receive. Switch between desktop and mobile views to make sure your text wraps cleanly and your corrections appear everywhere. This is also a good moment to spot subtle issues a spell checker won't catch, like stray capitalization, extra spaces, or awkward line breaks. If everything looks polished, you're ready to move forward with confidence. A few careful minutes here can make your Constant Contact email look professional, trustworthy, and ready to send.